The boat is intact. There is definitely a surge, though. It is just coming up to the porch. Just about to the house. As you can see, the TV outside is about to be inundated. The neighbor's house is about 6 inches from being underwater. And that's where we are. I'll take a walk to the other side. Hold on. This is the other side. We are, the Bronco is just about to be underwater. And there's the neighbor's shower. These are my front steps. I'm looking at probably 8 inches of water, and it's not high tide yet. And the tailpipe of the Bronco is definitely underwater. And my trash container is about to float away. It's only here still because it weighs a ton, but I don't think my trash containers are still in there. And there you have it.